Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have a quick little haul from Beebee Crafts. I finally placed my first order from Beebee Crafts, and I think I was even able to use a coupon, and it came super fast, you guys. Considering it's coming from China, I consider it super fast. So I just got a few items because, I just wanted to try out the shop and see, see if I am gonna get like super fast shipping. So let me show you what I got, and I only got a few things. So I got, I needed some more of these ball pins. I don't know if they're called ball pins, but they're the pins that have the little ball on the top. I thought they would be bigger, but yeah, they're not. So I also got some from Amazon, and it kind of came in a variety pack, so we'll see. Hopefully that one is bigger, I'm not sure, but I needed some of these, and these weren't that cheap, but I guess they're gold plated, that's why they're more expensive. But I love that it came in this little case. So I was super happy to get that, and I think this was $7 something, which is kind of pricey, but again, it's because it's gold plated, so I guess that's why. And you get plenty. And then I got this little resin kit. I didn't even know they had stuff like that in the store, and I thought, wow, let me just go ahead and check it out. And so I got that. They were these little molds were individually wrapped. So I hope you can see that okay. Let me see. I don't know if that's gonna help. Yeah, I think that helps a little. Okay, so let me just show you the molds. So see how teeny tiny these are? I don't know if that's helping. Is it helping? Anyway, it looks like you have a puzzle piece, elephant, and notes. So how cute are these? But they're super tiny. I mean, look at my my nail bed. They're about the size of my nail bed. So I didn't know they were going to be this tiny, but you know what? I think they'll be great for little embellishments, like little flatbacks. Look, the crown, I had to get it, and then there's a little t-shirt. I don't know what I would use that for, but there it is. I definitely wanted the crown. And then you have some shapes. So again, look how teeny tiny these are, and I'm sorry about my nails. I did my own nails, and I didn't do a very good job. I think it was because of the particular nail polish that I was using. Anyway, look at this. Super cute. And these are teeny tiny because they are designed for making jewelry. Here is teardrops and an oval. So again, these are jewelry size, but look at the little butterflies on the wings. So stinking cute. And another reason I got it is because it came with some tools. And I want to say this was over $13, like a little bit over $13. Then look at the little goldfish. So reminds me of my son. I have a picture of him with him eating teeny tiny goldfish. Look at the hearts. Again, that's the size right there. Then they have some holiday looking ones. So here, look at that teeny tiny reindeer. I'm not sure if that's a reindeer. I think it's a reindeer. Looks more like a Pikachu to me. Not a Pikachu, but Pokemon. And then you have a cat, bunny head. Not sure what that is. But it looks like the middle part is open. So I'm sure it's designed for, again, earrings or something. But look, the snowflakes. Real cute. And these are super stretchy, and the bottom is like super thin, so you have to be careful. But they did come individually wrapped. I think that's supposed to be an ice cream cone, maybe? Across, and then I love this one. definitely wanted it for this too. Stars and moon. So what was that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 molds, and then it came with a silicone cup. So I was happy to get this because I don't have anything like this. So this will be handy and easy to clean. And then there's this large cup because I only have the teeny tiny cups. So this will be great. They gave us pipettes. So you have 3 pipettes, and then also a tweezer. I'm not sure what you'd use a tweezer for. Maybe to like drop little glitter and stuff. I don't know. And then some stir sticks. Although I did watch a video, and I can't remember which video it was, but it was somebody that had been working with resin, and she said that it's not good to use wood popsicle sticks when you're stirring. She uses plastic, I think she uses a plastic spoon instead, or something plastic, because the wood is porous and supposedly it causes more bubbles. So I don't know, I'm new to resin, so just keep that in mind. I don't know how true it is. And then they gave you little finger protectors, which I'm going to be using gloves, but I guess these are kind of helpful. Maybe it's because you can easily pick up things. Plus, when they give you free gloves, usually they are, well, for me, they're usually too big because I have small hands. So these will come in handy. And I think that was it for the kit. And like again, I said it was 13 something. I'll leave the links in the description box for Beebee Crafts. And then I got a couple of other things. I got this big huge bottle. I've been wanting to get these. I've looked them up on Amazon, and anyway, this was over $12, like $12.99 or 12 something. But look, you get a ton. So I guess they're designed for, you know, slime, making slime. But I thought, look, the colors. I've been wanting to get some confetti pieces like these. So these will be great for my crafts, especially the one I'm doing now, because I'm doing shakers and things for my October daily. So yes, finally got that. And then I got this big huge thing of these. My BFF Erica had gifted me different charms, and she had a couple of these. I think she gave me some pink ones in the little box, or the little embellishment box that she gave me, and oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. So let me just show you the colors, because I already kind of separated them. There are 2, 4, 6, 8 colors. So you get the gray, the black, pink, this cream, kind of an off-white color, brown, yellow, dark, sort of like a corally pink, and then the navy blue. I wish they had pastel colors, because I would be all over that. But anyway, this was 12 something, I think, maybe. Can't remember, but somewhere there. But look, you get a ton. I don't know how many's in here, but you get a ton. So I will definitely be using this for my October dailies, right? I think I'm gonna just do a bunch of charms. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do a Halloween charm during my series, and I can definitely use the yellows, the black. I'm not sure about this one. I'll have to check the colors of the paper collection I'm using. But I can definitely use, you know, these colors right here for Halloween. And I haven't done any summer projects. Well, a little bit, actually. I did. I pulled out my Sunny Days collection, but I can probably use these for that, and the pinks. And I still am working with the Sweet Story, so I think these colors will also work, I think. Anyway, I just had to try it out because I love when you can get stuff in bulk like this. So anyway, that is my small haul from Beebee Crafts. I am definitely going to order from them again because like I said, I love it when they give you fast shipping. And stay tuned, I do have some more projects and hauls for you guys, just small hauls, but nevertheless hauls, and I love hauls. So thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.